everyone, welcome. This is Izzy at Minerva. Today's video we're continuing the series of our fit videos to do with the bodice, and we're going to be looking today at if the back of the neck is too tight. So the front's absolutely fine, but it's just the back of the neck is too tight. Let's take a look at that together. As we continue to look at the neckline, we may find that our main issue is actually just the back of the neck is too tight. And the way that we can tell that is that we're going to get these drag lines coming from the back of the neck across the bodice. It's a bit hard to kind of show you on this, but they'll be coming down like that and across. It would only be at these 2 points here and here. It's not that we're getting drag lines all the way across the entire bit of the neckline. If you're getting drag lines all the way across, you know that the whole of your neckline is too tight. But if you're just getting these drag lines like this, it just means the back of the neck is too tight. You may have got a feel for how much you need to widen your neckline by, just to give in that volume. You may have snipped out the tension to have seen how far you need to take the neckline out by. So whatever that distance is, you're going to work with your measurements and not mine. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to assume we are widening the neck by 2 centimeters, just so you can see that nice and clearly. Okay, so along the shoulder point at the neck point here, the back neck point, mark the distance that you need to widen the neckline by. For me, it's 2 centimeters. And then all you simply need to do is just to find a new soft curve that takes you from the back neck point up to your new widened shoulder point. So just find a nice curve. Oh, that one looks good, doesn't it? So you can immediately see we've got a wider length around the neck now. It's longer, so that will be looser then around our neck. However, we have pushed the shoulder seam out by 2 centimeters and effectively shortened the shoulder seam, so it won't now match up with the front bodice. So all we need to do now is just extend this by the same amount. Following the line of the shoulder here, I then just want you to extend out by the same distance as you widened the neck by over here. For me, that's just 2 centimeters. Okay, and now we need to draw in a new arm's eye. So we're still going to use our help points that we've got here and here. We're just going to try and tie that in to our help point at that point. So let's find a nice curve. That looks pretty good. And just draw that in. And it's as simple as that. Thanks for joining me today as we look at how to adjust the back neck fit if it's just a bit too tight. Hope you found that really helpful, and as ever, do check out the rest of our videos all about fits. You'll find those really helpful as you assess the fit of your bodice. As ever, feel free to pop your comments below the video. We always love to hear from you here at Minerva. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you next time.